Imagine investing $100 on a project and your investment turns into $1 million 2 years later. That's exactly what you could have done if you had invested in HEX at the very beginning when it was just launched. If you missed it, don't worry, because we think PulseX will also make over 10,000x. If you want to know why, make sure you watch this video all the way through, because we're going to talk about the price potential of PulseX and the factors that will push it to 10,000x. But before going further, it's important to know that this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. With its unique and promising approach, PulseX is a highly anticipated project within the Pulsechain ecosystem. Although there have been some setbacks in the launch, the potential for a significant return on investment makes it a project to keep an eye on. Are you excited to learn about the game-changing factor that sets PulseX apart from other projects and gives it the potential for even greater success than HEX? Stay tuned, because in just a few moments, we're going to reveal this exclusive secret. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date with all the latest updates and insights. Also follow us on Twitter, as we post all the updates on Twitter first. This is just the beginning of PulseX's journey, and you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. When it comes to increasing your returns over time, delaying gratification can be an effective strategy. With PulseX, holding onto your coins can earn you more than those who sell them too early. It's like a shared bank account that everyone can access, but depending on when you withdraw, you'll receive different amounts. Keep in mind that if you decide to sell your coins just a few days after the launch, others may purchase them at a different price, and you may not be able to get them back at the same price. For instance, let's say you invest $1,000 in PulseX at launch and choose to hold on to your coins for a few years. By staking your coins, you'll earn a yield in the form of PulseX coins and other tokens offered by third parties. After a few years, the value of PulseX increases, and your initial investment is now worth $10,000. If you decide to sell your coins at this point, you'll make a profit of $9,000. But if you continue to hold on to your coins and stake them, you'll be able to earn even more coins and other tokens, increasing your overall returns even further. But keep in mind, it's important to note that the potential return on investment is not guaranteed, and it's always important to conduct your own research and evaluate the risk before making any investment decision. Either way, staking with PulseX also offers an added benefit. In addition to earning yield on the PulseX coin, you can earn yield in other tokens offered by third parties without any risk. And you can even earn other coins which can be sold without affecting the PulseX price, allowing you to buy more PulseX in the future. Many investors are choosing to hold on to their coins rather than selling them, even though they have the option to sell at any time. This is because they see the potential for the coin to increase in value, and they want to take advantage of this potential by letting it sit on the table and multiply. This is similar to a self-imposed time lock where the investor chooses to hold the coin for a longer period of time rather than cashing out immediately. When investors buy PulseX, they may not be fully realizing the benefits of their purchase if they don't hold on to the coin for a longer period of time. The platform's trade fee is used to purchase and burn PulseX, making it more scarce and pushing up the price. This means that if the platform reaches similar levels of usage as other popular DEX, the daily extra buying pressure on PulseX could potentially reach hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, which cannot be sold. This creates a positive feedback loop that can drive the price of PulseX even higher. Basically, when we look at the potential for PulseX, it's clear that the platform has a lot of factors in its favor that could drive up the value of its native token. One of the key factors that investors should be aware of is the buying pressure that can be generated by the platform's trade fee and staking mechanism. As we mentioned earlier, when users trade on the PulseX platform, a portion of the trade fee is used to purchase and burn PulseX tokens. This reduces the supply of tokens in circulation, which can lead to scarcity and a corresponding increase in price. If the platform sees high levels of usage, this daily buying pressure on PulseX could potentially reach hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars, depending on the volume of trades taking place. But that's not the only source of buying pressure that investors should consider. When users stake PulseX tokens, they have the opportunity to earn other tokens in addition to PulseX. These other tokens can be sold on the market, and the proceeds can be used to buy more PulseX. This creates an additional layer of buying pressure that can help to support the token's value. Let's take a closer look at how these two sources of buying pressure can work together to increase the value of PulseX. In our earlier example, we assumed that the trading volume on the platform was $5 million per day, with 0.29% of that volume being used to purchase and burn PulseX tokens. This translates to $14,500 per day in buy-in pressure from the trade fee. Now, let's imagine that there are also 100,000 people staking PulseX and earning other tokens that they can sell to buy more PulseX. If each staker earns $100 worth of other tokens per day, and they all use those tokens to buy PulseX, that's an additional $10 million in buy-in pressure per day. When we add the buy-in pressure from both sources, the total buy-in pressure on PulseX is $10,014,100 per day. That's a significant amount of buy-in pressure that could potentially drive up the value of PulseX. And remember, that's just for a daily trading volume of $5 million. If the volume on the platform were to increase to $50 million, $100 million, or even $150 million per day, the buy-in pressure on PulseX would be even higher. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that this is a simplified example, and there are many other factors that can influence the performance of any cryptocurrency. Market conditions, regulatory changes, and technological advancements can all have an impact on the value of PulseX and other tokens. However, when we look at the potential for PulseX to generate significant buy-in pressure through its trade fee and staking mechanisms, it's clear that the platform has a lot of upside potential. This is why many investors are bullish on PulseX and are excited to see where the platform goes in the future. As always, it's important to remember that investing in any cryptocurrency comes with risk, and there is no guarantee of a return on investment. However, for those who are willing to do their research and carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards, PulseX could be a promising opportunity in the world of decentralized finance. Now, do you think PulseX can make 10,000x? As always, share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. Remember that investing in any cryptocurrency is risky and the potential return on investment is not guaranteed. It's always important to conduct your own research and evaluate the risk before making any investment decisions. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments section below, and we will come back with another video. That's all for today's video. If you're excited about the potential of PulseX and want to stay updated on the latest developments, make sure to subscribe to our channel for informative content. You can also join us on Twitter for faster updates. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates on the launch and the projects being developed on Pulsechain. Join us on this journey and stay up to date on all things Pulsechain. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.